Hi there. If you want to work on your rear wheel, the transmission, replace the tire, take it out of the rear triangle, the easiest way to do that is clamp your front brakes on with the parking brake. You might put your foot here on this front pivot, lean the whole machine forward, and rest the grips down on the ground. Okay? Now, the rear wheel is just about eye level. And you can see everything that's going on right here. If you need to take the rear wheel off, you can loosen the acorn nuts or the lug nuts, slide it forward, unlash the chain or release the chain from the sprocket, take the cable off from the shifter and take the wheel out. Put it back in the same direction. Let me show you something real simple about how you take this cable on and off up close. If you notice, this shifter cable here runs from the housing and around to this point. I'm going to show you that if you look up top here, you can see a little hole to put the 2mm Allen wrench in. If you pull this around like that, the cable gets slack and you can lift the shifter cable and the clamping screw right out of that little slot. It goes right back in the same way out, and it goes like that. Okay, I'll do that one more time. It's very simple to disassemble this. The 2mm Allen wrench goes in the hole. Move that around from the 12 o'clock position to the 9 o'clock position. That gives you slack in the cable, and the shifter cable comes out. If you need to pull this out of the housing there, this just slides out like that. Now your shifter cable is free. At this point, you could easily loosen the acorn nuts here, slide this wheel forward, take the chain off the sprocket, and you have a free rear wheel. Repeat the process in the reverse. Slide this back in here. Take your 2mm, put this in at that point, rotate it down to expose your little cam holder. Slide this right in with the nut to the outside and release that, making sure that the cable snaps back in the groove. All done. This is a real simple way to work on your rear wheel.